HubSpot Ads Tracking Honest Review. Watch before using. HubSpot's ads tracking feature is designed specifically for marketers and business owners who want an integrated way to manage, track, and optimize their digital advertising efforts. Let's break down what makes this tool unique, how it stacks up in real-world use, and what you should keep in mind before diving in. First, HubSpot's ads tracking offers seamless integration with popular ad platforms like Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn, allowing you to centralize all your ad data in one dashboard. This means less manual work and better access to your campaign's performance metrics without needing to switch between platforms. If you're already using HubSpot for CRM, email, or content, this tracking integration creates a unified experience, ideal for marketers focused on inbound strategies. One of the standout features is the ability to tie ad performance directly to ROI metrics. With HubSpot, you can trace the exact return on each ad investment, so it's easier to see how much revenue is being generated per campaign. This is incredibly useful for making data-driven decisions because you can track which ads bring in leads, which ones convert, and which aren't worth the spend. Furthermore, the tool's reporting capabilities are customizable and intuitive. You can set up reports tailored to your team's needs, making it easy to pull detailed performance insights that are visually clear. Plus, if you're using HubSpot's workflows, you can automatically trigger follow-ups or actions based on specific ad interactions, which can be a game changer for boosting engagement. However, there are a few limitations to be aware of. First, HubSpot ads tracking is robust for medium to large businesses that can afford the professional or enterprise tiers, as the free and starter versions lack full access to advanced ad tracking capabilities. Additionally, while the integration with ad platforms is helpful, it might not replace the full analytical depth of each platform's native reporting. You might still need to reference Google Analytics or Facebook's Ads Manager for more granular insights. In short, HubSpot's ads tracking feature is an excellent choice if you're already embedded in the HubSpot ecosystem and need a straightforward way to see how your ads impact your pipeline and bottom line. It's a smart addition for users who prioritize ROI insights and CRM integration, but may not be as budget-friendly for small businesses or those requiring only basic ad tracking. If you're looking for a streamlined, CRM-linked way to understand your ads' effectiveness, HubSpot's ads tracking is a powerful tool, but make sure it aligns with your budget and ad data needs.